Well, hey guys, welcome back. Cricket here with another sticker haul. This one's from Cavern Studio, and I am so excited to show you this. She's got some new products in, new paper in, and it is phenomenal. And you can get everything at 50% off using code CRICKET50. And yes, 50% off. Everything in her shop is 50% off. So, these are the cute new sticker albums. I'm just going to go ahead and show you one of them. And this is one of the stickers that I ordered from her. Let me just show it to you real quick. And they fit perfectly in her albums. How cool is that? That is so cool. I'm so excited. But anyway, I ordered 2 out of the designs that she has. And here are her characters, which I love every single one of them. And then I wanted one that had all 3 of them on there to represent Cavern Studio. And then here's our little kitty. Her name is Aspen. So definitely wanted to get one of her as well. So I'm going to put these to the side, and I'm going to show you my other goodies that I got. But actually, let me keep them in view so y'all can see them and admire them as much as I do. First off, let me show you this. This is the freebie that you get when you mention my name. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22 stickers on this thing. And I just totally adore and love it. So anyway, if you mention my name and Nose to Seller, you will get this freebie. Also do Cricket 50 and you will get 50% off. So I'm going to start with the kits first, which are absolutely gorgeous, y'all. These kits, I actually am going to put them up so that you can see them. This one is called Fall Most of All, and here are your full boxes. Now look how vibrant these are, and you should feel the paper feels so good. But it's hard to see kits that are this vibrant. So there's your full boxes, your full check boxes, your half boxes and quarter boxes, your days of the week, and she gives you 4 different versions. So you can definitely use this in more than one layout. Your sidebar, which has got habit trackers, bill dues, work, Monday through Sunday, hydrate, and then your check boxes. And then here are your little things with food icons, money, mail, mail, workout, TV, and then laptop, and then filming. Nope, there's one more. I knew there was. Then she gives you all these glitter headers. And then the deco. Now look at the deco, how beautiful the deco is. How gorgeous is that? Love it. And then this one was called Fall Most of All. These are full kits too, by the way, guys. The next one I got is, oh, wait, I'm sorry. And this is the bottom washi and washi strips. I am so sorry. Look how gorgeous that is, though. All right, again, I'm sorry, that was Fall Most of All. And then this one is Autumn Cabin. I fell in love with this. It says, I love fall most of all, which is probably true for me. Look at the double box right here. So pretty. Double box right here. So here are your full boxes, your full check boxes, your days of the week, again, 4 different versions. Your quarter boxes or half boxes and appointment boxes. Your sidebar. Your washi strips. Your little things. Your gorgeous bottom washi and washi strips. Or deco strips, whatever one you want to call them. And then your gorgeous deco. Look at all that deco you get. Love it. And then this one is Autumn Cabin. So there are those 2 right there. Now on to our little guys. I love these. And look how many you get. They're so Amazing. And anybody that knows me knows I'm a football mom. So here is Aspen, the cat, playing football. Then I got her with the Christmas tree. Then here is Avery sledding. Adrian with pumpkins. Adrian with the football, which I am totally in love with this one. So cute. Actually, I got 2 of those. Then Adrian shopping, grocery shopping. Adrian with coffee. Probably another one of my favorites. Adrian with stickers. Adrian with tacos. Adrian reading. I have Aspen reading too. It's cute. She's laying on her belly. Adrian laundry. Then Avery with the football. Avery with the Christmas tree. So here is Aspen with the Christmas tree, and then there's Avery with the Christmas tree. How cute, huh? So cute. And then, of course, I had to have Adrian eating pizza. I mean, hello. How adorable. So all of these are 50% off, guys. You can get every single one of these things 50% off. And her prices are already very, very reasonable. So, I mean, even if she didn't have the 50% off, so well worth every penny. And she is fast, guys. She is so fast getting your orders out. So don't forget to order using my name so you can get my freebie, and then Cricket 50. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that bell. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and give me some comments down below on things that you might want to see, or things I need to fix, or things that you love, any of that. Please add me on Facebook and on Instagram. It's PlannerNina_Cricket on both of them. So please go and subscribe so you know when I'm having all these hauls and my plan with me's. And I can't wait to come back and see y'all again soon. Talk with you later. Bye-bye.